I'm George Giering. I'm the president and CEO of Giering Metal Finishing. Giering's approach is very consultative. We'll try to bring to the table anything that we feel is missing from the whole equation. The amount of customers that come to us knowing exactly what they want is more common than you'd think. I think that, a lot of people that are coming to us are OEMs that have engineering departments that have been there, kind of done that. And so they typically bring a lot to the table. We do get a ton of people that'll ask our opinions on how their parts should be finished. We are an engineering-driven company, which kind of separates us from the others. We do bring those advantages to the table. We will look at the application. Where's the part going? What's it doing? Is it sitting in the sunlight? Is it going on a boat out in the salt water? Is it just gonna sit in an office in an air-conditioned room? What's the application? What are they looking for? Aesthetics. So we'll take all those into consideration. Even if they know everything about and they say, hey, this is what we want, if there's something that we feel they need to consider, whether it's the actual finish or whether it's after finishing, maybe packaging, we'll try to bring those to the table just so that the whole process is smooth. People may say, hey, we want wet paint black. And I may say, not a problem, we can do that. But we could also do electrocoat and kind of walk them down that road, show them the benefits, does it work? And if it does work, maybe there's cost savings. And they will appreciate that type of feedback.